Go to your head. Come on. Good girl. I mean, I like it when Daddy does that to you. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. It's okay.
Brand new single from Paul Weller. It's called Shades of Blue. Let me know what you think. Paul will be on this show
Good
here
girl.
today playing live tracks from the new album. What a delight for us. He has some tour dates later in the year, in November and December. There's a couple that still have tickets available, and then he's on tour next year, March and April. So you can get a chance to follow the